If you had told me a year ago that there was a single side hustle that could earn me $1 million, I would have said it's either an NFT scam or a crypto scam. But now I believe you, because now we have AI for almost everything that is required to start a $1 million business. You may ask, what is the difference? They are both just a trend, and AIs will go down just like NFTs. Well, no, that's not the case. NFTs were only JPEGs that people could see that it belonged to you, and 99.9% of them didn't have any functionality. However, AIs serve a purpose. They do things for you. For example, if you want someone to answer all your questions, there's an AI called ChatGPT. You want a personal assistant, there's an AI for that. You want to sell your drawings, but you don't know how to draw. There's an AI that will draw for you. This video will be short and will only cover the basics of starting a business with AI from scratch. If you're looking for a channel where you can find online side hustles, don't forget to subscribe to The Empire. Here, we'll help you build your empire. Since you clicked on the video, I assume you have a business idea. First, we have to make sure that it's a good business idea. Then we will create a logo, and then create a website. After that, the best form of marketing is video marketing. I will show you how to do that too. And if you have any questions, don't ask me, ask ChatGPT. Just kidding. Write it down in the comment section. Even if you don't have an idea, don't worry, there is an AI for that too. Go to idecide.com to find thousands of ideas that are ranked from best to worst based on user feedback. As you can see, we have this month's top ideas, this week's, yesterday's, today's, and all-time top ideas. I really like this one. A platform that allows companies to create chatbots that can be used to automate tasks and provide customer service. Now we will go to validatorAI.com, where it will give feedback on our ideas. Let's see what it thinks of the idea I chose. Your business idea has a lot of potential. A few things that could help it succeed even more would be to focus on the advantages that chatbots have over traditional customer service methods, for example, speed, personalization, accessibility. Additionally, it might be helpful to target specific industries or businesses that could benefit the most from implementing chatbots into their operations. The feedback is really good. Now I want to pick a name and create a logo for the platform. We go to Inglix.com, it will generate a name and a logo for it. Enter the keywords of your business. Let's see. Website, virtual assistant, and chatbots. Now choose a style. I will go with auto. Select generation randomness. Let's go with medium. And a short description of your business or product. As you can see, there are a ton of names to choose from, and if you choose one, you can change everything about it. The logo, the style, the name, everything. If you wanted to build a website 7 years ago, you had to either learn how to code or pay a programmer a couple of grand. But now, with the help of AI, you can do that in a matter of seconds and for free. Go to durable.co, get started, choose the type of business, put in the name, and just like that, you will get a fully functional website. It will generate your testimonials, your marketing funnel, your color palette, and everything else. And you can change and regenerate whatever you want. At the end of the day, every business needs marketing to reach customers, and the best form of marketing is video marketing. We will use Synthesia.io to create videos like this and promote our products. With Synthesia, you can choose a character and type in text in over 65 languages and choose a narration style or local accent. You can add text, other design elements, and your logo. As you can see, you can do everything with it. Now everything is ready. We created a business from scratch in less than 10 minutes. And if you want anything else, as I told you, you can ask ChatGPT for it. It will help you with coding, writing blogs, creating marketing campaign strategies, or whatever you want. It will help you with everything. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, as this will push me to make more videos and help you in achieving financial freedom. Peace out until the next video.